Over the last 6 months or so at Olympus Roofing, we've been working as a team to put together our Operation Roof Rescue, which is an initiative that we've put together to try and give back to our community. We've been able to accept a bunch of nominations. Friends, family, neighbors, whoever have been able to nominate somebody in need. We've evaluated all those nominations and been able to choose a couple people that we're going to give a free roof to. So we're super excited. Today we have come to Elena's house to let her know that we're giving her a free roof. Congratulations! You're getting a free roof! This is what Operation Roof Rescue is all about, is trying to give back to the community that keeps us in business and gives so much to us. It's been months in the making for our team of collecting nominations. To be able to get the process rolling and start giving away some roofs is really exciting.
As I opened the door, I took a step further forward and saw some of my family and people that love me and care about me. And it all started to become like full circle. Just the feeling of love and care and concern. That's what stands out.
A roof is an interesting thing because you don't think about it until you have a problem, and then that's all you can think about. As I was talking to Elena and to her family, they said that it has been at the top of her mind and the family's mind for over a year. Just weekly stress. Anytime windstorm comes through, they're stressed about shingles coming off. When it rains, it is just pure anxiety and stress. And we see that with many homeowners and other people like Elena that can't afford to fix the problem, and it just consumes them. And so, when we told Elena that we're gonna replace a roof, it was just immediate emotion of relief.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for a new roof. Like, so excited.
So we are in day 2 of Operation Roof Rescue. Yesterday we had 2 teams of JobNimbus volunteers. We tore off 3 layers of asphalt shingles and replaced a bunch of rotten decking. Today we're back at it, getting the shingles knocked out, making a lot of really good progress. We'll probably be done here by lunchtime.
So I originally got into roofing through JobNimbus. I worked at JobNimbus for 3.5 years and had an amazing experience. So it is incredible to be able to come full circle owning Olympus Roofing and have JobNimbus help. They are an incredible partner and a really important part of our community. And I'm so grateful to have the support of JobNimbus.
We're here to make contractors heroes, and they're turning into real heroes today. They are giving away a free roof and they are making huge impact in their community, and that's what we're all about here at JobNimbus.
When I first reached out to Kaysen to partner with him, the very first conversation we had was about how can we do good and make impact. So from the very origins of us being together as partners, the goal was to do good.
This is the first of 4 roofs that we're going to be giving away this year, thanks to sponsorships and people who have taken interest in what we're doing and just want to help out to just kind of bring together communities in this way.
You just have no idea what this means to me. No idea.